Alright, I'm gonna go get Tiki because he's throwing a hissy fit while I go feed the chickens and get the eggs. But I'm gonna get Tiki because he is really throwing a hissy fit to go outside again. He just wants to be outside today. It's a beautiful day, and he just wants to be outside. Come on, Tiki. Come on, step up. Attaboy. Say hi to the camera. It's not morning, boy. You already been out. Oh, we forgot the food. Kitty. How do you even turn this thing around? What is this? What is if... Does anybody even know how to turn the screen around? Oh my goodness, you talkative? The weather's nice. I have no idea how to turn the screen around, but anyways, Kiki. Allie, bird's calling you. Hey. Here, Kiki. Hey. Kiki. Hey, Allie. We have got to figure out how to turn this screen around. ASAP. Like, how do you do it? What is this button even for? What is A flat for? I bet you Diva knows how to do it, huh? Do you know how to do it, Tiki? Come show me, boy. I'm trying to figure out how to flip this screen backwards to bring you. Alright, let's go feed the chickens. No. Chick. Hey, Tiki, let's teach you how to go. Can we teach you how to crow like a rooster? Can we teach you how to crow like a rooster? Flea's right there. Flea's right there. Flea. Where's Diva? Where's Flea? There's Flea. Where's Diva? There's Diva. Come on, Diva. He's calling you. Now. Come on, Flea. Come on, Diva. Come on, Flea. Oh, Lord. Diva's like, feed me. Diva said, feed me. You better leave your bowl in here. What happened? The cat got you in the face? Oh, my goodness. The cat got you in the eye. Allie did, didn't she? We just let her in, too. The outside cat. She almost got you in the eye. Man, Diva. Come on now. Leave your bowl inside so it'll be in here when we get back. Come on. Look, everybody's waiting on her. The kitty got Diva in the eye. You want some? Come here, Tucker. You give me a kiss. You want some? We've got to figure out how to turn this camera around. Hey, y'all, stuff's over here by the pond, guys. Ow! What? Why you did that to my head? What? Why you did that to my head? You want some? Whoa, you got some corn? Here. No, you gonna go on your stick, huh? Why you be biting my head like that? Oh, man. Look, they know I dropped some. They know I dropped some. What? You made me drop it on the ground. They'll clean it up. They'll clean it up for me. Tucker! This isn't y'all's food. This has too much protein. Y'all gotta come get y'all's food. Flay! Y'all, I have, guys, oh my goodness. I have, what's it called? Carpenter bees in my thing out here that I really need to get a hand on. Because they're carpeting the town and my bar out here. Pretty good. I guess the big chickens came over here and ate all y'all's little food out the pond. Because look. And y'all can't have this food. It's got too much protein in it. Y'all's bowl's empty. Uh-oh, Diva, what? You got a hold of a bee? You're really good at that. Go ahead, Flea, get you some. Go ahead, Flea, get you some. There's gonna be some frogs in there. Alright, let's go get y'all's food. And go feed the big ones. Oh! Oh! You gonna stay out here while I go get the eggs? Because I know you gonna see Tucker and take off. And you can totally fly all the way right now, so I'll be right back. Okay? You be a good boy. I got a whole crew. Tucker's got himself trapped. Let's see, y'all ate all the food out of here? Yep. Y'all done went and got yourself trapped. Oh, I got my goods. I gotta put my boots on to go in here. Y'all don't be messing with that now. Oh. I can't touch this. No. So I'm gonna try and hatch some more babies. Some more eggs. Alright, not everybody could come in here because I've been keeping Tucker separated because he is giving my chickens anxiety. And look, they're not Oh, Tiki's mad. Why y'all need to eat these oyster shells? Y'all need to be eating these oyster shells too. What the heck is that? What the heck is that? Yo, I've been freaked out since I've seen that snake in my wagon. Freaked out since I've seen that snake in my wagon. Oh my goodness. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm out here in my robe because I'm about to go take a shower. Alright, girls. What y'all got? Y'all laying an egg in here? I'm being freaked out. Since I seen that snake, I don't even think I posted that video yet of that snake in my wagon. I use that wagon for everything. That little snake was in my wagon. I was trying to get out of here and go DJ. Got any eggs in these boxes? No. Let's check the house. Dang, son. Oh, look at Tucker coming on over. No, Tucker, no. I gotta go get mine. All right. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just as many chickens as we have. All right, I gotta go get the thing. Put the eggs. I forgot it. Oh, Tiki! My mercy! You want outside, you want inside. Tucker, come on. You wasn't supposed to jump the fence yet. Come on. Come on, Tucker. There you go, boy. My mercy, that boy can't make up his mind. Tiki's worse than a 2-year-old. Well, we got plenty of eggs. He does this, y'all. Guys, I gotta stop saying y'all. That's kind of irritating. Tiki does this in the house all the time. He starts this stuff at 7 o'clock in the morning. Yes, sir. I'm coming. All right, come on, step up. Get his. Now, if I would have brought him in there with the chickens, and Tucker would have went to go jump the fence, he would have jumped. Now, if I go bring him inside so I can go back in there and get the eggs, he's gonna scream to the top of his lungs. What y'all doing? We got some rearranging to do tomorrow and cutting some grass. What are you doing? Chewing a hole in my stuff? What? That ain't funny. What? We gotta go feed the ducks. Chickens. They're not gonna give you a kiss. They checking you out though. Look at them. Here we go. Alright, Tiki. Look at that poor chicken squatting down on the ground because Tucker's back in there. Automatically. Anxious already. Look at her back. Poor thing needs a saddle. Ooh, that sounded like a big old dog. My poor chickens are automatically squatting on the ground. Diva, look at me. Oh, that's from the cat. Forgot the cat got you now. You got too close. What? Alright, guys. That's about it. I did hear a big dog, though. Big dog. Double trouble. Come on. Y'all come eat. Y'all come eat. Well, she's gonna eat over there by herself. I'm gonna go see what big dog this is and then... Oh, dang. Gotta get their meals. And you still, you okay to go in here while I get these eggs? Or you gonna wig out and fly? Look at this little lady wants to get out of here. Come on, little lady, go on and get out. Her too, look, go on and get out, little lady. They don't want to be in there with Tucker, 'cause Tucker's mean. Well, he's not mean, he's just... He's not mean. You better call Flea. Flea! You better call louder than that. Flea! 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 Close the top. Oh man, look what I done did. And that's expensive food. Look at my babies. Y'all get out of there. Out. Out, out. Get out of there. There you go, my babies. Alright, well, I got the eggs. I fed the chickens, and I'm going to hang out with Tiki for a few minutes outside so he won't be screaming the whole time I'm trying to soak in the bathtub. Because God forbid. And then we're going to play the piano because he loves to sit on my arms while I play the piano. And, hey, maybe one day we'll go live on the piano while he sits on my arms to keep him quiet. Yeah, girl, shake. Anyways, tell him, Tiki. Tell him you scream. Tell him, Tiki, because you scream like that because not all pets are perfect, huh? It's not morning time. Tell him I can scream like that. Tell him. Ah! Tell him. Lucy doesn't live here, and Lucy hasn't lived here in 3 years. What are you screaming Lucy's name for? Tell him. Say, I can... Tell him. I can scream and holler in that back bedroom if I want to. It's my room, and I can scream like that because not all pets are perfect. Right? Right? Not all pets are perfect pets. Give me a kiss. No, give me a kiss. No. Thank you. All right. Tell him bye. SpongeBob SquarePants.